In primetime news this evening, opposition MP threatens legal action in Portmore boundary dispute.
No trust. Most voters expressed distrust in both political leaders.
And St. Catherine fish vendors losing customers because of contamination fears. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com and to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we'll have some more from the Bank of Jamaica's recent monetary policy decision. And what they've said is that they're expecting inflation to fall outside of the target range for a little longer. I'll have the details later on.
All right, and Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Jermaine?
Well, Herman, clap with me. On the West Indies. Yes. They've done it again. Another series win over England. I'll give you the details a bit later on.
Oh, cricket, lovely cricket. I only say that when West Indies is winning. Anyway, Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. The biggest change that we are expecting across the area over the next coming days is an increase in shower activity, especially across sections of the south. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
I want to clap again, but okay, never mind.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what Christmas tradition from the past do you wish would become popular again and why?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
I wish I could go around the table, but anyway, we don't have time. But stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.